Hi, everyone. So, first, I just want to say happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there. Well, hold on, let me get this up. Yeah, I don't understand why some pages stay up and some don't. I don't get it. But anyway, again, happy Valentine's Day. Okay, so I tried to get to the story a couple days ago, but y'all, there's so much stuff going on. Alright, so first of all, let me say the sun a piece of the sun had come off and was swept up in a vortex. This happened, I believe, February 2nd. And this X flare, well, it'll tell us when it happened. It's been a couple days. Which X flare is one of the worst flares. Okay. So it created temporary radio blackouts over South America. But it's hitting Earth today, my understanding. Here is the video of what it's doing here. Did you just see that spot right there? That was a solar flare. Right there. Yeah, X flare. And when it's Earth facing, it can be trouble. So a major solar flare erupted from the sun Saturday, February 11th, spawning a radio blackout parts of Earth and setting the stage for more flares to come. Okay, so the huge solar flare, which registered as a powerful X1.1 class. Alright, let's see here. Let me get it up here. Where was I? Alright, event on the scale used for such sunstorms peaked at 10:48 a.m. Eastern Time on Saturday, according to the U.S. Space Weather Prediction Center, operated by NOAA. It originated from an area of the sun called Active Region 3217 and created temporary radio blackouts over South America. The center reported NASA Solar Dynamics Observatory captured stunning video view. And you can go on the site. It is space.com. And it will show you other video. More flares are expected from this region as it moves across the sun, creating occasional degradation of high frequency 3-30 megahertz of communication in an alert. Okay, here's another one. Okay. Solar flares are massive eruptions of charged particles on the sun and come in a variety of intensities, with the smaller A-class and C-class flares denoting relatively minor events, while the stronger M flares can lead to amplify. What just happened? Okay. Now I gotta find my spot. What is going on with this thing? Okay. And by amplify the auroras we see on Earth. X-class are the strongest type of solar flares. The strongest X-class flare ever recorded occurred in 2003. The strongest, okay, let's see, and registered as an X28. Woo! Yeah, that was strong. Flare before it overwhelmed the space weather sensor measuring it. Okay, now this can also affect our space station that's up there, satellites and whatnot. Intense solar flares can also eject out huge amounts of solar material. Scientists call this a coronal mass ejection, CME, which can fling out vast clouds of solar plasma away from the sun at speeds of up to 1 million miles per hour when aimed directly at Earth. The strongest solar flares and CMEs can interfere with communication systems, power stations, and even endanger astronauts and satellites in space. Okay, let's see. Events, that was Saturday X flare. There was a site added, a CME spotted from a different event, an eruption of a solar filament from the sun's northern hemisphere. That eruption flung a CME towards Earth that should reach Earth on February 14th, today. Could lead to more intense auroras the site reported. Alright, so, it goes on. Like I said, y'all can go to space.com and type in X-Flare, and you'll come up. Okay, thanks.